Do you want to add education to your Facebook profile? You can show your education on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add education to your Facebook profile, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the edit icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down to the education section. Now, under this, find and tap on the secondary school or college option. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, choose Add University or Add Secondary School. Type and search for your school, college, or university name and select it from the list. Now, enter your field of study, year, and other details if needed. Once done, tap the Save button. Now, your education details will appear on your Facebook profile.